I'm back at Belle Isle. Well, actually, Belle Isle is in the opposite direction, but I've been here quite a couple of times in this area. But obviously, when I came before, I was actually just pretty much interested in the hydro plant on Belle Isle. But I do remember walking around this entire area, and I don't remember this, but this seems to be a former mill. I'm just gonna go with that because it just has, the look of a former mill that probably burned down at some point, because Virginia is completely littered with mills, and I'm finding them everywhere when I go out exploring, different places. I'm looking for abandoned structures. I'm finding so many mills, so I'm just gonna roll with that this was a former mill. Let's go check it out. Seems really, really big. I do gotta watch my step because everything is in full bloom. It is springtime and we don't know what is lurking underneath this rubble. A snake, a centipede, a dead body, I don't know. Oh, and happy Easter, everybody. It is Easter Sunday. If you guys celebrate Easter, happy Easter. If you don't, it's a regular Sunday to you. But I totally forgot, yeah, it is Easter Sunday. Wow. That's beautiful. Alright. That's cool. Look at that. Let's go. I guess I can go down here. See, this is probably, obviously this was the inside. This whole thing was probably bustling at one point, full of factory workers, and now it's a devastated pile of nothing. Let me go down here. Ugh. Here. Bricks, bricks, bricks. Bricks everywhere. Look at those old barrels over there. That's cool. You can see like how this place just wrapped around all the way over there. See the vines hanging down Mother Nature is reclaiming what originally was hers. She's reclaiming it back. Don't mess with Mother Nature. She will take back what was hers. Like that. These bugs out here are no joke. They're like tearing me up. I know I'm gonna be covered in mosquito bites. As long as it's not ticks, I don't want no ticks on me. Let's cut through here. Cool. You can see the wall. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very cool. But yeah, like I said, just looking at it, probably got destroyed by a fire at some point, as most of these mills do. They usually get destroyed by a fire. And that's probably what happened here. Cool.